今天晚上你在做什么？我怎么样都睡不着，你可以陪我吗？
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is now fall, and thank you so much for your comments on my last video. It was a special one to me, and I hope it was a special one to you too. I got my hair done by Ara. She's based in the 626 area. I got a medium brown hair color just because I thought I needed a change, you know. As the seasons change, I thought I needed a change too. I'm prepping my skin with this Paula's Choice moisturizer. It has SPF 35, so it'll protect your skin. It's very lightweight, so I really like it. I have acne prone skin, and I find that this one works really well for me. You should always wear sunscreen, doesn't matter if it's summer or fall. I'm going to go in with this toner mist because I want this look to be very dewy and hydrated. So after misting my skin, I'm going to use this primer. This is the VDL Lumilayer metal cushion. As you press the cushion, the products dispense from the metal case, so it keeps the product very sanitary and fresh. And this is how I get this glowy skin look. Just apply this metal cushion. It contains niacinamide and vitamin C derivatives, so it brightens up the skin as you wear it. And it also contains panthenol and vitamin E to nourish and protect the skin. This is the area that I've applied. You can see it's just glowier and dewier, and it doesn't look like shimmery or anything like that. It just gives your skin a very nice glow, and it's great under makeup. You can also mix it with your foundation if you want. It has a very cooling type of effect when you apply on it, so I really like it. So this is my face just with the cushion on. It's very dewy and glowy, and it just preps your skin for makeup application later. I'm skipping foundation altogether and going in with this Maybelline Age Wearing Concealer. I've been using this for such a long time. I used it in college and I still love it. Honestly, it's one of the best concealers out there. And if you've tried this, you know how well it works. I thought I would hate the applicator, but I actually really like it. I'm mixing the VDL cushion, one pump of the cushion onto the concealer as well to blend it out, and it just makes everything blend so nicely, and it gives a sort of like a radiant finish versus a matte finish. And this is the complexion. I really like it, and yeah, it gives sort of like a lit within type of look versus a shimmery glowy finish, if that makes sense. I'm going with this ELF HD powder. It is in the shade Soft Luminance. I think it's their newer one. It isn't completely matte. It has like specks of glow in it, like shimmer, but not too much that it's overpowering, so I really like that. Just set around where you need to, which is around the eyes and where you would bronze and contour the face, so the powder application isn't patchy. And I got this at Target. This is the Profusion contour palette. It comes with a bunch of contour shades. I'm using the medium and the lightest shade of contour and mix it together and just bronzing all over the skin to give it some color and depth. It looks pretty warm on camera, but in person it's more like a neutral kind of cool shade. Using the lightest shade, I'm gonna define under my eyes, around the brow bone, to give sort of like a deeper set socket type of look. I want it to look more sculpted and more bronzed. So yeah, just run this blending brush around under the front of the eyebrows, and I like to define the front of the eyes and also the end of the eyes, and sort of just blend out and make it look seamless. I really like sort of undetectable type of makeup, so I guess that's just my aesthetic. To contour the nose, just run it down where you feel like it needs contouring. You don't really need to contour everywhere. For me, I just focus it more on the tip of the nose to make it look a little bit more snatched. Going in with a warm tone bronzer, this one's by Rimmel. I'm just gonna run it all over to give color to the face. Next, getting this angled tapered brush, I guess, from Sigma. I'm using the darkest contour color, and it's actually more cool toned in person than on camera. I'm just gonna sculpt and create cheekbones that, you know, some people have naturally, but we have to use makeup to sculpt it out, and that's fine. I'm going to use a fluffy brush to blend out the colors, and yeah, and actually in person it looks a lot more cool tone than that, so it looks more like a shadow than a bronzer. So go ahead and do it around the jawbone and under the jawline, maybe around the hairline as well, to give yourself that sculpted look. To darken around the eyes, I'm going to go in with this darker brown. If you're wearing light contacts like me in this video, you definitely want to go in and darken the eyes, just because wearing light contacts can sort of wash out your features a little bit, so add some shadow back for definition. Going in with this Wet n Wild brow pencil in taupe. If you have colored hair, you want to go 2 to 3 shades lighter if the color is dark, and if you're blonde, 2 to 3 shades darker. I'm also gonna spray some hairspray on the spoolie to give some body to my eyebrows, so it stands up. I love that fluffy brow look right now, so using a hairspray definitely just keeps the brow hair standing. To add some highlights to my eyebrows, I'm going in with this Milk Makeup KUSH brow. I really like it. It contains CBD oil to help condition the eyebrows, and it's just very, very pigmented, and it helps my brow hair stay up as well. So good job, Milk. I love this KUSH brow gel. I'm using the color Haze, so it's a more blonde color. To further define the eyes, I'm gonna use a dark brown. Like I said, light contacts do wash your eyes out sometimes, so make sure you go ahead and define it. Using a eyeliner pen that's brown, not black. I think black would be too harsh. Just define the eyes. I'm also drawing false little lashes, just because I don't wear bottom lashes, and sometimes mascara doesn't catch my bottom lashes as well. Yeah, just finish up with some more dark shadow, and you're done with the eyes. For lips, I went in and primed my lips with this Neutrogena lip shine. It's kind of goopy, so I don't know if I'll repurchase it, but it does hydrate my lips. Yeah, I'm going in with this Fenty though, because I bought it at Sephora and I love it so much. When it launched on Instagram, I was going crazy, and all my friends saw me. I was like, oh my god, I need to get this, because it's such a beautiful rose mauve and the packaging is just beautiful. It's one of those products that I thought, yeah, this is worth it. Like, this is amazing. So yeah, it's a perfect rosy nude. To match that rosy nude, I'm going in with this Milani powder blush brush. It is the color Tea Rose, and I'm applying it over the contour so it blends in and gives your face like a flush instead of a blatant like blush look. So that's how you achieve sort of color in your face without having it look too blush like. To highlight the face, I'm going in with the cushion again and applying it on the high points on the face. It just reflects light so nicely and so softly, almost like a halo type of effect, like a halo filter. And you are done with the face. And next up, I'm gonna go in with the hair. I really want it to look like a surf, like wet editorial type of look, so I'm going in with this Surf Infusion. I find that it works really well in adding body to the hair while keeping it looking wet. Once I mist it all over and I know where I want the hair to fall, I spray it with some hairspray. After that, I'm just gonna add some of my darken my existing freckles, and you're done with the look. So thank you guys again for watching and all your support. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. So I'm really excited to let you guys know I'm doing a meet and greet finally in New York with VDL. It's gonna be at their boutique in Soho this Saturday, October 27th at 11 a.m. at 251 Elizabeth Street, New York. I'll be just chatting and answering your questions, and they're actually hosting a giveaway, so don't forget to check the description box to win your own custom engraved Lumilayer metal cushion. I can't wait to see you guys in New York. It's been too long, and yeah, I'm really excited to see everyone. Bye guys, I hope to see you there.